What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Don't forget to smash that like button. I got 3 bank stocks to buy. And first of all, I am like exhausted. Okay, I had a leg day workout, which was needed after a crazy weekend at work. But these bank stocks are hot. They have significant dividend increases. They're underground bank stocks that a lot of people don't even know of, and their solid yields are really good. And I'm telling you, with these dividend increases, they make these guys very attractive to throw in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I'll go over a dividend stock analysis on these 3 bank stocks. So again, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's go. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Ryan Williams. He's one of my bros that I've met throughout the investing community. His channel is doing very well. He's going to get to 10,000 subscribers very fast. So once you become a subscriber to his channel, you'll be one of those people that are like, yeah, I got him at 5,000 subscribers once he hits 100,000. So just keep an eye on his channel. He's a good guy. Him and I chat on Instagram, chat all the time. Get your ass on Twitter so I can give you a Dividend Warrior shout out on Wednesday. All right, let's check out our video. First bank stock I have is Alliance Bernstein Holding LP. It is sitting at $55.99. Has a dividend yield of 6.39%, a PE ratio of 15.86. Market cap is $5.57 billion in US dollars. Year range was 3106 to 5754. The primary exchange is NYSE. It was founded in 1987, and let's check these guys out real quick. I'll show you financially how they're doing. It's like, wow, they're blowing up pretty fast, and their dividends going up pretty fast as well. So let's check these guys out first. At Alliance Bernstein, we're fully invested in being a firm that clients can trust and deliver better outcomes. To be successful, we foster a diverse, connected, collaborative culture that encourages different ways of thinking and differentiated insights. We embrace innovation to address increasingly complex investing challenges. So here's some stuff about these guys. At Alliance Bernstein, we're fully invested in being a firm that clients can trust to deliver better outcomes. To be successful, we foster a diverse, connected, and collaborative culture that encourages different ways of thinking and differentiated insights. We embrace innovation to address increasingly complex and investing challenges. Let's look at a few other things. Connected, committed. What unites a global investment research firm? Connections to both our clients, our culture, one another, and communities we serve. This cohesiveness fosters collaboration and empowers us to pursue a common goal, delivering better outcomes. Dedicated focus. So the research, Bernstein Private Wealth Management, Asset Management. Whether you're a global institution, financial advisor, or high net worth individual, we're committed to being your most valued partner. We continually seek alpha across asset classes to advance your success. I'll show you some locations real quick. Here's some in the Americas: Atlanta, Austin, Chicago, Boston, Cleveland, Dallas, Denver, Houston, Miami, Los Angeles, Nashville, Minneapolis, New York, Philadelphia, San Antonio, San Diego, Seattle, San Fran, Tampa, Washington, D.C., and West Palm Beach. So here's a few things that I really like about these guys, and it's their revenue and how it's doing. Look at this, just quarterly financials, okay? 101.42 million US dollars. Its net income is increased, and net profit margin, operating income is increased. And again, its revenue was up 27.17%. Revenue 88.91 million. June 97.41 million. Increased. September 95.92 million. Its net income is increased. Net profit margin, operating income. I mean, these guys are just making a killing right now. And one more thing that I like is their dividend history, which is really good. Let's look at 2013. It was 41 cents and 40, then 60, 39. Little bit of a scatter bomb. So you start at 40 cents, 50. Hasn't gone back to 40. It's jumping up 60s, 80s, 60s, 90s, 81s, 91s, 89. So it's increasing over time. It's a little bit, but it is almost at $1. Okay. And it has a dividend yield of 6.31% and a PE ratio of 15.64. Annual dividend of $3.56. It's sitting at $55.99. So it's going up again, 40 cents, consistent 60. Look, it hit 49 cents, big deal, because I don't see that going there. Again, this is not financial advice, but look, it's consistently increasing its dividend over time, which makes these guys a very attractive dividend stock. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. Next bank stock is First Horizon Corp. It's sitting at $17.23. Its dividend yield is 3.48% with a PE ratio of 9.78, market cap of 9.28 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1150 to 1945. So this one is a bank holding company, and we're going to look at some locations real quick. I'll just show you the size of these guys and how their revenue is doing, which makes them a very attractive dividend stock. And they're 3.48%. So again, they're not beating the S&P, kind of a little stagnant, but there's a few things about these guys that are very attractive. So here's the nice thing about these guys. They are a bank. They have 490 plus locations, 87.6 billion total assets, and 8,100 associates. I'll show you their locations. Right here, they're located in Virginia, Texas, Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina, Mid-South, Middle Tennessee, Florida, and East Tennessee. So again, they have a lot of banks, which is very attractive about these guys. And the dividend yield is not too bad. It's 3+%. Let's check out their revenue. Now this is in millions of US dollars. You got 1,259, 1,253, 1,370, 1,480, 269, 2,278, 3,390. Even during the pandemic, they generated a profit. That makes these guys very attractive as a bank stock. They're making money. Like I said, take it to the bank. Banks make money. You swipe your credit card, they get money off of that. Any ATM or anything, you have to pay a fee. I mean, they do. The company does. Say like I go to a grocery store, I have a First Horizon bank card, swipe that, they get money. You know, the company that or the store has to pay these guys a small fee. They generate money from that. That's one thing. Don't forget loans. People are buying houses like crazy. People are buying loans for cars. People are outrageous, buying cars way past their blue book value, which I don't even understand. People are just nuts with that. But these guys are making money off of that. There's one more thing that's very attractive about these guys is their dividend history, which I'll show you. So 2013, it was 5 cents. Now it's up to 15 cents in 2021 with a dividend yield of 3.49% with a PE ratio of 9.79 and an annual dividend of 60 cents. So it's going up each year. I like that. As a dividend investor, how do you say no to that? It's, again, $17.23. That's very attractive as a dividend stock. Let's jump to the last stock. And here's another one that's taking some time to rebound. Valley National Bank Corp. It's sitting at a 3.03% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 13.13. The year range was $8.88 to $14.74. Its day range is $14.30 to $14.57. So it's not jumping up too fast. Again, it's just a little stagnant and it's slowly rebounding, and its price per share has gone up over time, which makes these guys attractive too. And also the revenue is very attractive as well. So again, this is in millions of US dollars: 714, 790, 870, 945, 1293, 1535, 1566. But even during the pandemic, these guys were making a profit and generating revenue. Let's jump to their dividend history. 20, 19, 17, 16. All of a sudden it hit 11. I'll go over that in a second. But it's sitting at 11 cents right now. And, again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only, but with them increasing their revenue, okay, the revenue is going up. There's a chance, now don't quote me on this, this is not financial advice. There is a chance that they can increase their dividend. So I wanted to point this out with these guys. And I'm going to show you one more thing with these guys before I conclude everything. So of the three, I wouldn't buy this one the most. I think Alliance Bernstein is blowing up very fast. I wanted to show you the revenue. I couldn't find them on macro trends with their revenue, so I had to, show you their trends of how they're doing and how they're improving and doing so well against the S&P. So that's probably the number one, especially if you have the money, that the dividend's increasing like crazy. FHN, that one looks really good. Now VLY, again, it's sitting at 11 cents, but I need to show you one more thing. These guys have been splitting their stock like crazy. So 2012, 21 for 20, 2011, 105 for 100, 2010, 21 for 20, 2009, 105 for 100, 105 for 100, 2002, 5 for 4. They're seeing a lot of stock splits with these guys. So the good thing is these guys are increasing their revenue. Hopefully their dividend increases. Don't quote me on that. But these are my 3 dividend stocks. What do you think of VLY? That's a big one. What do you think of Alliance Bernstein and FHN? Is VLY a risk? Would you buy something that hasn't increased its dividend? Hopefully it's going to increase, but we'll see. So I know you guys are new. A lot of you guys are new to this channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Check out my buddy's channel, by the way. And, things are looking really good with this channel. I'm going to keep on pumping out videos for you guys. I think it's fun. It really is my day off. It's good, relieve stress, everything with, graduate school and everything. So I enjoy doing this. So make sure you smash that like button. And the more active you get on this channel, the more videos I'm going to start pumping out. And I'll probably have a special one Thursday and Friday. I do have to work Thursday and Friday, but I'm going to try to pump out 2 videos in between that for you guys. You guys take care. I'm going to post a video tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the comment section. Have a good Monday and be safe out there. And you know what's nice for me, by the way? People below me have their heat on at full blast. And literally it's like, 72 degrees over here. And it's, I think, 37 degrees out here in Ohio. So I can't complain right now. All right. Take care.